through a Spanish-speaking country, let's say Mexico, Colombia, Spain, okay? And you need to give a detailed description of someone to help a lost tourist find their friend in a crowded plaza. Being able to accurately describe physical characteristics like hair color, height, or distinguishing features could make a significant difference in this scenario, right? So, mastering the skill of describing someone ensures that you can be helpful and effective in unexpected situations while exploring new places. Hello everybody and welcome back to Spanish with Unacademy. Yo soy Lorena and today we're gonna learn how to describe physical characteristics of somebody. So before we start, remember to save this video for future references, subscribe to Spanish with Unacademy, hit the bell icon, and just get comfortable as we are ready to start. Are you ready? Empecemos. For describing someone, we will use two main verbs: tener, to have, and ser, to be. Let's start with their conjugations in present simple, because that's normally the tense that we will use to describe how somebody looks right now, okay? Let's start with tener. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él tiene, ella tiene, nosotros tenemos, ustedes tienen, ellos tienen. Now let's go to the verb ser. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, ella es, nosotros somos, ustedes son, ellos son. Okay, now let's see some examples with tener. Using tener, to have in Spanish, is very useful when describing physical characteristics. Here are some common phrases. Tener plus hair color. For example, tengo el pelo rubio. Well, not me, actually. Yo tengo el pelo castaño. I have brown hair, but you can also say tengo el pelo rubio. Él tiene el pelo negro. Tener plus eye color. Ella tiene los ojos verdes. Mi hermano tiene los ojos azules. Tener plus age. Remember that in Spanish we have our age. Ella tiene 25 años. Tener plus build, your complexion, how do you look? So, Juan tiene una complexión delgada. María tiene una complexión atlética. We can also use the verb tener with, for example, beard or a mustache. Él tiene barba y bigote. Yo no tengo barba ni bigote. Let's see some other examples. María tiene pecas en la cara. Maria has freckles on her face. Pedro tiene una cicatriz en la mejilla. Pedro has a scar on his cheek. Ana tiene el pelo rizado. Ana has curly hair. Luis tiene los ojos marrones. Luis has brown eyes. Sofía tiene el pelo largo y liso. Sofía has long and straight hair. Miguel tiene la piel morena. Miguel has tan or probably dark or brown skin. Marta tiene los labios gruesos. Marta has thick lips. Antonio tiene una marca de nacimiento en el cuello. Antonio has a birthmark on his neck. Isabel tiene las cejas muy pobladas. Isabel has thick eyebrows. Andrea tiene las orejas grandes. Andrea has big ears. And talking about ears, I just heard my daily notification for my Spanish lesson, so let's go to that.
Disculpe. At a restaurant, you can use disculpe to get the server's attention. It means excuse me and is a respectful way to get someone's attention.
Okay, so translate to Spanish, excuse me.
Disculpe.
Perfect, very good, guys. Okay, here we need to match the following.
Un sándwich. Por favor.
Now, translate this one to English. Disculpe, una pizza, por favor. Okay, now here we need to identify from these two options.
Agua.
Perfect. Okay, translate this sentence. Excuse me, please.
Disculpe, por favor.
Perfect. Disculpe, una mesa, por favor.
Disculpe. Una mesa, por favor.
Okay. Now we need to match the following.
Disculpe. Agua. Un café.
Perfect.
Una mesa.
Excellent, very good. Okay, now we're gonna listen and we're gonna find the translation of excuse me.
Disculpe. Un sándwich.
Okay, so pretty easy, right?
Disculpe.
Perfect. Okay, I just finished my daily lessons and now we can continue with physical description of somebody. Ser, to be, in Spanish is essential for describing inherent characteristics of someone. Here's how you can use the verb ser to describe someone. Ser plus description. Él es alto. Use ser plus a noun and then an adjective. For example, ella es una persona blanca. Él es un hombre delgado. You already know this, but we can use the verb ser plus nationality or profession. You mastered this already. Él es español. Ella es doctora. We also can use the verb ser plus the origin, like the country per se. For example, nosotros somos de Argentina. So let's see some examples. Using the verb ser to be in Spanish is essential for describing inherent or permanent characteristics of someone. Here's how you can use ser to describe someone's characteristics. Okay, so let's see some other examples where you can use the verb to be, ser, for physical descriptions. Cristina es alta. Cristina is tall. Juan es bajo. Juan is short. María es delgada. Maria is slim. Pedro es musculoso. Pedro is muscular. Ana es rubia. Ana is blonde. Carlos es moreno. Carlos is dark haired or dark skinned. Laura es pelirroja. Laura is redhead. And that would be it for today on Spanish with Unacademy. I hope you have enjoyed learning how to describe physical characteristics using two verbs, tener and ser. Remember to practice what you learn and subscribe for more helpful lessons. See you in the next video. Adios!